Well, summer's winding down. Won't be long. We're starting to transition, get ready for fall gardening. And today I'm going to show you 4 seeds that I save every year. And you should too. This is the hardy hibiscus. Great plant. Love it here in the garden. And once the blooms are spent, all your seeds is left right here in this pot. Now all you gotta do is just bust the pot open. And there is the seeds right inside. Number 2, this is the Roma flat green bean. We grew this bean for 5 years. I do not know the actual name of it. I let them dry right here on the cattle panel and go through, and I'll pick a bunch of these off and get them opened up into the seed. But one thing, don't let them go too long once they get dry, because the birds around here really seem to get a hold of them. So get your green bean seeds, and you'll have about saving your green bean seeds. Like I say, 5 years I have not bought these beans, and it's become a favorite. Number 3, zinnias. Zinnias has to be on the list. These are the mixed zinnias, all the different colors. No garden is complete without having zinnias in them. It definitely makes your landscape look a whole lot better. Also, these seeds are getting expensive, and if you can save them, it's the best thing you can do from your zinnias once they're dried. All these right here, every one of these is a zinnia, will make a zinnia plant. So on the pod, just roll them back, open them up, and right here is your seeds. So all you have to do is just open up your pod, run them between your fingers, or lightly pull them, and there's all your zinnia seeds that you will ever need. It has been years since we have bought zinnia seeds, unless there's a particular color that we run across that we like, we will buy those. But that's all the zinnia seeds that you would possibly need. You can start them, and once you get too many, share them with your friends and family. Number 4, okra. Always. This is Clemson spineless okra. Year after year we have been saving these, and okra is one of those that is a good seed that you can do each year. So what I do, now we're still picking on this. This has been a phenomenal year for okra. Been hung up in a drought, zone 7B. We hadn't had any measurable rain to speak of for over 2 months. But this okra, the Clemson spineless, love the dry and the heat. So here's what I do. Now we're still picking it. We have a runner coming off one of these main plants, and it has 3 and possibly going to have more because it's still blooming. I let this just stay. This has done got too big to eat. I leave it here and let it 100% dry on this vine. And then all you have to do is just pop it open. And these 3 pods, if you take them, it will be more okra than you could possibly need. If you have all your seeds done, what I take is a white envelope, and I write what seed is, color, especially on the marigolds. Now we have a mix, and you're never going to know, but we grow a lot of just the standard yellow. So I'll make sure that I put yellow on those. And I also write the date and the year so that I know, because I have marigold seeds that I have saved from 4 years ago. Save your seeds. Just go through, pick out what you can. There's a whole lot of different seeds that you can save out of the garden. Now, hybrids is a whole different story. I've tried to do it before, like on a jalapeno pepper that's a hybrid. It did okay, but it wasn't really the same. So I tend to stay away from the hybrids. But go find the seeds that you want and save them for next year to definitely save you money in the long run. And guys, if you grow it, you know it.